Beauties, it's me, Evie, and I have a BoxyCharm for you. It is the base box. The base box is 5 full-size items, and you get this little card, and it tells all about the products. And this box is Boxy Spring Revival. So I'll show you the inside of the box. Okay, so we're going to start out with the first thing on the list. This is by Bakerie. This is a brand that we have seen before. I like Bakerie, actually. And this shadow is, Sour You Doing? Like, how are you doing? Sour you doing? I love the lemons on the case with the pink. Pink and yellow is so pretty together. Here's the card. It's like the hard cardboard casing. And those are the colors. Ooh. Pink lemonade, sangria, sweet refresher, Bellini me, tart, chocolate, sour, and icy. These are beautiful. This is actually a palette that was really made with me in mind. It has the red tints, but it's also got the casual browns. It says, these shades will make your eyes squint and then light up in surprise. Rich and bold, yet soft for those who want to be subtle. Sour You Doing is perfect for spring, date night, or maybe even a holiday mixer. So that is really pretty. And y'all, I'm sorry for my voice. I kept thinking that if I put it off from when like I was up more and whatever, it would get better, but it did not get better. So I'm going to try to do this. So this is a new launch from Bakerie. It doesn't say if it is just for Boxy or not, but it does say a new launch. And this retails for $38. This next product we have had in a past box. And I actually really like this product. It smells beautiful. It is a face mask. I also liked putting this in my little makeup refrigerator and letting it get really cold. And it smells so lovely. You don't even have to remove the little cappy because it smells so much like roses. It smells so good. It comes with a little applier. And they say that this sleep mask contains real rose petals, rose water to moisturize and revitalize your dry and stressed skin while sleeping. When rolling it on the skin, it delivers rose vital moisturizing energy to the skin with a melting technology of rose petals. This retails for $55. And I have used this and I really do like it. I think it's a pretty good face mask. I can imagine it being really great for sunburns. Not that you should ever get a sunburn, but if you did, it would be lovely. This is by Christophe Robin. We have also received this in a past box. This is actually really nice as well. Is this the one that smells like roses? Yes. Okay, so this too smells like roses. I'm pretty sure. I don't think that's the smell from the... Yes. Okay, so this is from Christophe Robin. It's an instant volume mist with rose water, and it does too smell like roses, and it really does volumize your hair. I've used this and I like it. So this retails for $39. This is from Item Beauty. It's by Addison Rae. This is a Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. You know I love mascaras. I love the packaging. It's very pretty. It's just beautiful packaging. It actually reminds me of being youthful and young. You know, Addison Rae is, I think she started in 2019 on TikTok. I could be wrong. But she's a very successful, just been put out there. And recently she was on the Kardashians. So anyway, she's pretty cool. This is a tiny, tiny little end. I like these types of brushes because you can get closer to the inside of your eye. And I'm going to be looking forward to using this. Let's see what it says about it on the card. This flake-free and smudge-proof lengthening mascara is packed with nourishing lash boosters and hydrating conditioners like castor seed oil, glycerin, and coconut oil, so your lashes can live large. The unique micro wand and exclusive complex in the formula naturally enhances every single lash for 3 times the volume. Wow. So this promises a lot. Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. It retails for $15. What a decent price for it to be too. Mascaras are ridiculous lately. So the last thing on our card is from Persona. We have seen this before. It is a 24-hour eyeliner. I'll open this one. I didn't open the other ones. I think I have 2 of these now. This is in black. There's the packaging. And this says it's 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. It intensifies your eyes with this creamy 24-hour waterproof eyeliner that glides on smooth for all day to all night wear, featuring a smooth, blendable formula. This 24-hour waterproof eyeliner is ideal for both the lash line and the waterline. I think this is like that new formula. Oh, look at that. That was literally, I was barely touching my skin. That's impressive. So this box is way over $100. Why this box is a good box? This box is a good box on the preference of the idea that you really preferred these things. You liked them in previous boxes and you're getting them again. These products are something that we are blessed with every month from BoxyCharm. And sometimes we find products like the Christophe Robin that are really good products and we use them and then we're like, oh, I really want that product again, but want to pay $39 for it? No, not really. But if I could get that product and say the sleeping mask that I loved, which I'm not going to pay $55 for, it comes for all around $30. You know, that is the joy of this repeats. For me, anyway. I like to look at things as a positive. No, I'm not getting really any new products except like the Addison Rae mascara. But it's a good box because these are products that I liked in the past and I would still like to use in the future. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for putting up with my voice. And thank you for being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, go hit that subscribe button. It would make my day happier to know that you're here watching. Remember, be your own beautiful. I will have everything you need to know in the description and a link that you can use to get your own BoxyCharm. Like, comment, and subscribe. And always never forget that I love you.